Hey there, I'm Michael from the product team at Ada. Today, I'm excited to tell you more about Playbooks. We know great customer service agents go beyond answering FAQs. They resolve complex inquiries by following your standard operating procedures. With Playbooks, your AI agent can do the same. Playbooks can be created 10 times faster than traditional scripted workflows, and your AI agent can respond more naturally, adapting to each customer's unique inquiry rather than just following a script. Let me show you how Playbooks work, how easy they are to build, and how they help your AI agent resolve more complex inquiries. So once you open up the Ada dashboard, you'll notice a new section under training, and this is where you'll manage and create all of your playbooks. We've made it super easy to get started creating your first playbooks. You can do so by inputting a simple prompt and having Ada generate the first version for you depending on the use case. You can also create playbooks by uploading existing documents that outline your existing SOPs. Today, I happen to have a diagram that I prepared, and the use case that it's tackling is a common one where e-commerce stores might ship something to customers that was incorrect. So the process that I've outlined today is for the AI agent to first confirm the issue, figure out if the item was damaged, missing, or in the wrong size, look up recent orders, determine which items actually had the issue, and then ask the customer which resolution method they would prefer, whether that's to have the refund issued or have the item reshipped. So now that we have that context, let's upload that same PDF into Ada and let Ada go to work. You'll see now Ada took that diagram that I uploaded, it created a name for the playbook, defined when the playbook should be used, as well as outlined the step-by-step instruction. So you'll see here, step 1 is to confirm the issue. Step 2, look up recent orders. Step 3, determine items with issues. Ask the customer which resolution they prefer. And finally, handle the refund request, or step 6, handle the reshipment requests. You'll also notice that Ada was able to intelligently pick up relevant actions for this use case. So in this example, I had already set up some actions of getting customer orders, initiating refunds, and reshipping items, and Ada was able to reference them directly in this playbook. So without having made any edits, let's give this a test and see how Ada performs. Let's go into the conversations view to take a look at behind the scenes how Ada went about resolving that conversation. So you'll see here, after I said I recently bought some clothes but soon came in the wrong size, Ada determined that using this particular playbook was the best course of action. Then it asks, and it says, "I'm sorry to hear that you received 2 items in the wrong size. Thank you for letting me know. Could you please specify which were affected?" I want to call out here, after I said it was the 2 midweight crews, Ada performed the action to look up the list of orders that were recently on my account. And for quick context, there were 3 orders and probably around 10 to 12 items in total. Because I mentioned the 2 midweight crews, Ada was able to intelligently narrow down quickly and ask me to confirm if it was the crews in these 2 colors ordered on these dates. And once I confirmed, it proceeded to the next steps and asked me if I would like a refund or a replacement. After I said replacement, it wound up with check the address I would like to have it sent. I set the same address as before. It confirmed those addresses and then used the reship actions to issue reshipment for both of those. So you'll see men's midweight crew, tag the issue category of wrong size, and then define the correct size for me. Similarly, did it for the other t-shirt to the other address. So that's it. That's a quick overview of Playbooks. We can't wait to see the use cases and the experience this unlocks for you and your customers.